Hey everybody, Shane Reynolds here, Peaden Connect. We're here at the Pensacola headquarters and it is the season finale. Now normally we're doing things like talking to the community or talking to employees, talking to customers. But today we're gonna do something a little different to close things out. I'm gonna talk to an employee about a new product that's coming out and it's gonna connect you to your home. So let's get to it. Welcome to the training room. I'm here with Michael. He is a plumbing service tech. How you doing, Mike?
I'm doing well, how are you?
Awesome, I'm doing great. Always good to be back here at the headquarters in Pensacola. I hear you guys have a new product coming out in the plumbing world, which, you know, I'm always hearing about the new electrical and AC technologies, but this is a cool sounding thing. But first I want to get to know you. How long have you been working here and what do you do specifically?
I've been working for Peaden for a little over 2 years now. I'm a plumbing service tech, so the biggest thing with service techs is that when customers call in, they get on the schedule and they have an issue, or they'd like a quote, for instance. I come out, I evaluate the situation, I diagnose the issue, and then if there's any repairs or replacements, I write up some options, and then we go from there.
So why do you love working at Peaden?
I love working at Peaden because it's just a great work environment altogether. Everyone's so close when you come here, whether it's HVAC, electrical, or plumbing. And the biggest thing with the customers, we like to take care of everyone. We treat everyone the same.
Yeah.
That's the biggest thing here. We treat every customer the same, and whatever we walk into, we can handle it.
Okay, and so a small job you do, if it's over 2 hours, you're
Yes,
gonna
sir.
bring in the crew.
So say if it's like a toilet and you just want to repair or even a replacement that could potentially take less than 2 hours, I'll do the installation.
Okay.
But if it's a bigger job that could take a little bit more time, it's just easier so that we don't reschedule the customers that are already on my schedule for the day.
Oh, that makes sense. Efficiency.
Yes, that's the
right.
biggest thing.
Yeah. So tell me about this new product that you have coming out.
So it's not necessarily a new product, it's a redesign. It's called a Moen flow leak detection.
Okay.
And what it does is we install it to your main water line and it reads your day-to-day basis on water usage.
Okay. So if I have a really high water bill 1 month, I can call you guys and
Yes, sir.
this is gonna help me figure out what's going on?
So it won't really necessarily figure out what's going on. It'll notify you that you have an issue.
Okay.
And then you can contact Peaden and we come out and see what's going on. It helps out because there's so many water damage claims. Water damage is 8 times more likely than theft, 6 times more likely than a fire, and the biggest thing is water damage will affect 40% of all homeowners.
Wow.
And before it becomes, say, a flood, and your whole house, you walk in and you have a couple inches of water, we can diagnose the issue before it becomes that.
Early detection.
Yes.
And this is this works on an app like anything else?
Yeah, so now you can put it on your mobile device. Anybody can go on the app. Like I had a customer who, it was his mom's house and she had a regular landline.
Right.
So he downloaded the app to his phone and he can read what his mom's house is necessarily doing.
Can you customize it from the app? Can you
Yes, sir.
get things done from a remote location?
You can do it wherever you want, whether you're on vacation or not. And say if for whatever reason you have, like Thanksgiving, family comes into town and you're using more water than usual, or during the summer when you have your sprinkler system going on. You can set it to sleep mode, or you can reset it to where it'll read it again. Like it goes through that 24-hour cycle, it reads how much water you're using, and it's so technical that it doesn't matter how many people are there, how much water you use, it's just that 24-hour cycle.
So does the Moen Flow require any power to use?
Yes, sir. So it requires an outlet, but luckily Peaden does all 3 trades, whether it's HVAC, electrical, or
Yeah.
plumbing. So if you don't have an outlet within the vicinity that we're gonna do the installation, we can have an electrician come out and add one for you.
Perfect.
And we can bring them both out at the same time if necessary.
So where would you install it?
Typically, what we try to do is install it inside of the garage. As long as your main water line lines up correctly, then that's where we're gonna try to install it.
Right, right. What if there's gonna be a freeze overnight?
So if there's a freeze, since Florida is now getting freezes,
Yeah.
Moen also has a faucet that can connect to the app as well and to the Moen Flow leak detection, to where if there's a freeze, it can relieve the pressure. So it'll turn on the faucet automatically, it'll shut down the water to the home and relieve that pressure.
That's Peaden, always on the cutting edge and not just fixing leaks. Thank you for your time, Michael.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it. And you guys at home, there's 24 episodes to go back and check out all the different ways Peaden connects with the community and the customers and the employees. So make sure to do that, and hopefully we'll see you in the near future. I'm Shane, see you then.